Kenmore dryer, making a little squeaking noise. I got it towed on in the back. I'll check to see if anything stuck in this fan, which it wasn't. But I'll make a quick video while I think what's wrong with it. And I'll remove the vent housing. It ain't held by them 2 Phillips screws. And I took that out. And that would lift the lid up. Now I'm gonna loosen this and these 5/16 screws. Take this door off. Pull up off this hook that sits in that groove here. Take that belt off. On that tension pulley. And you know I'm how to change this felt seal. That could be making that scrubbing noise too. I'm gonna replace it anyway, but I wanna change out the wheels and see if that'll quieten it down. And when I was talking about bypassing it, you'll want to put the white wire and the blue wire together. The orange wire going to the lot. And when you open the door, the light is supposed to come on, but I think the bulb bad in that. I'm gonna change the bulb in it. But let me show you. See that orange wire that going to the door switch. So you know, even though it got 3 wires, you only bypass 2 wires. You have to know which one. Turn it on. And I just did that to hear if I had a problem with the motor. But since I don't, I can go ahead and remove this. So we're gonna go and change the wheels out. Change the wheels, got a little spacer. You just take a spatula, flat blade screwdriver or something, and just remove this. Got these plastic little clips in there on both sides. Well, I say that because the wheel's it's kind of hard, especially this one, kind of hard to move. Do that on the other side. Now just clean that whole wheel support off. I also like to use that all on that wheel brace so it can all have a better roll on it. And I'm gonna upgrade on these wheels versus these wheels. These wheels got better support. Yeah. say I'm gonna get a, I'm pretty sure most of that noise coming from this felt seal. I'm gonna order one of those. But I'm gonna see if it gets some of that noise out of there. Let's see, I'm gonna change that bulb out and that hole ain't by the Phillips screw. Yeah, just a bulb. Turn it on and see. Yeah. Yeah, just bad wheels, but I'm also get that that felt seal. Yeah, if you don't change that, it'll rub into that metal and it'll destroy the back of it. So I'm gonna order a felt seal and it'll be ready. Go ahead and put back on the back shield. Actually, this one wasn't too dirty, but I like to get it in and take it apart and clean it if possible. But yeah, I'm gonna order that felt seal and run a load of clothes and see if it dries. Yeah, just wanted to make a little small video. Had a tumbling problem, a little squeaking noise, and wanted to see if it was the motor or something stuck in the fan. A little part. The fan covers this right here. Sometimes the object get in there and you have to take the object out, but that wasn't the case. The case was the roller wheels was bad. Yeah. I'll tell you another thing. I noticed somebody got it wired wrong too. On a 4-prong, they got it color coded. Like this red should be with this red. This black should be with this black. They got the white wire right, but this right here should be bolted to the ground right here. So I know the guy was telling me it wasn't getting hot enough, and that's probably the reason why. It's got to be not a 3-prong. They only go one way, you know. The middle plug for the middle, left and right. Let me show you. I think I got a plug. See, a 3-prong go one way, left to the right, and that middle should always be in the middle. It shouldn't be crossed over any kind of way. It should go just how it lined up. But the 4-prong got 4 wires, so you got to match the color up, and the green just goes with them. I see a lot of people take the green and grind it with the white, but I think that green for the grind on the body, you know, I haven't heard nobody getting shocked by it, but I'd rather be safe and keep that grounded to the body. And that's how it should be. Red with red, white with white, black and black, and I'll have that ground to the body. You should have your correct 120 from here to here and 240 from across each other. Just put everything back together. Yeah, that was it. Just the rotor wheel, the wheels, bad wheels.